Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Adobe today, and I'll tell you why I want to look at Adobe. It has to do with Cloudflare. It has to do with Etsy, and it has to do with Teladoc. And this is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the type of pattern where we've got this downtrending resistance line and some kind of flat or even an uptrending support line, and the real entry on these is on the pinch. And this isn't the greatest one here. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to net. That's a better one. The entry here is when the stock first starts to push up against this, like here. You can take an early entry here. This isn't hindsight stuff. This is how you trade. Back on a test of this last low, and it's working. So maybe you're taking it right up here at 37.30, and then what you're watching for is a break through this line, and so you'd be even buying here, 38.64ish, something like that. You can see what's happening, and then you're in the position for this kind of move here. Okay, so if we look at Adobe, you'll see a very similar thing, only with one exception. The stock hasn't broken through yet. That's why I'm pointing it out to you. So we look at this stock, and I wouldn't buy the stock right now if I were you, because you're getting this video after hours. I would wait till tomorrow morning to buy this stock. I mean, this isn't a really good setup. They don't have earnings. That's not an issue. So this is just kind of coiling here, and you're going to have to give the stock about 5% of room on the downside. It has to stay above the 50-day moving average or you're out of here. But with this stock right where it is now, I think you can be a little bit proactive, take a small position here, and then if the stock starts breaking out, that's when you can add to that position, so you got kind of a head start on it, which gives you a lower overall cost basis. So anyway, that's my deal on Adobe. One thing, look, I'm doing a plug here, Stock Market Mentor. If you haven't been a member before, then you don't really know what you're missing. I'm doing some really good stuff, and it's not just me, it's Scott and Bridget, it's all of our forum members. There's people in there that are making some serious money. We get great feedback all the time from members. I'm not going to talk about it now because it sounds like I'm blowing my own horn. I'm just going to say this. Definitely give us a try. It's free 30 days. What have you got to lose? It's frickin' free. All right? So jump on it if you want. Whatever you find in your heart, however the Spirit moves you, whatever. But we're here. We're open for business, and I want you on my team.